Hi, buddies. I'm Stephanie, and this is my co-host for the day, Jietong.
Hi, I'm Jietong from CSEC.
And we're here to have a closer look at this, Asia's largest wind-solar integrated renewable energy project.
So once this project gets hooked up to the grid, it's going to be pumping out a whopping 5.8 billion kilowatts of clean energy every single year. It's like powering the entire community of Xinjiang for 13 days. It's also going to save around 1.7 million tons of standard coal annually and slash carbon emission by a massive 4.7 million tons. That's like planting nearly 4.5 million trees.
That's an amazing amount of power. Now, Xinjiang, gorgeous, stunning scenery, but between these mountains and the extreme weather conditions, it must be so challenging to build here.
It is challenging.
How do you do it?
Let's take a look. So our project uses aluminum, magnesium, zinc-coated materials. It's tough as nails and can handle anything this crazy climate throws that way. From corrosion to earthquakes to scorching sun. This stuff is built to last. The photovoltaic panel material is also a new type, which provides 5 to 8 more power generation capacity compared to ordinary ones.
Nice.
So as you can see, this place is so huge.
Yes.
Many places can't be arrived by car. So we've got a great helper. Do you want to see it?
Absolutely, I do.
Let's take a look.
Huge drone.
你们好。
哎，你们好。
做什么呢？
我们利用这个无人机技术呢，对整个的全厂区的地形地貌进行一个测绘工作。比如说哪块有坑，然后哪块就是坡度比较大的地方。
These mountains are real steep. How do you go about actually building on them?
最大坡度，我们整个厂区的话，在30度以上。30度的人很难站住，然后机械也上不去。我们用一个梯田法去施工。梯田法呢，就相当于我们的台阶踏步一样。
Can we have a little demonstration?
可以 ，OK。
I noticed some of the livestock grazing under there, so it seems like the project has tried to be mindful of the local ecology.
Yes, the solar panels are really tall because this is also a grazing area for animals. We have sheep, cows, horses, and even greyhounds. Those tall panels allow them to graze underneath freely while the project is being built. Look over there, they're coming.
They are. They're ready for lunch. Oh, they're so cute. Nobody can look at a sheep and not say like, meh.
Nice for cows.
We just saw some of the cutest cows and sheep. Do they come and visit you while you're working?
我会看到的，等我们干起的，他们吃自己草。
那您是一个人来的，还是说跟家人一起？
跟家人一起的，跟爸爸和表弟一起来。这位是我表弟。
是你的弟弟。真的吗? Very cool. So you work here with your brother. Is this a kind of work that your family has always done?
没有，我们以前老家那边是种地的。
那您自己想做什么呢？
赚点钱，然后去内地看一看。
想去内地看一看。
对。
想去哪里呢？
想去北京，然后上海，去那边看风景呀，然后逛一逛。
Just like me, yeah, it's perfect. And not only does this solar project help China reach its dual carbon goals, but it also seems like they're taking measures to ensure that the local people and the local ecology are all taken care of.
Absolutely. Thank you for joining us in Xinjiang for a look at Asia's largest wind solar integrated project.
See you next time. Bye.
这就是我的故乡，美丽